In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import links into Speechify. If you want Speechify to read an article, blog post, or any public web page aloud, the fastest way is to import the link directly. Let's walk through it together from a fresh browser. First, open your browser and head to your favorite search engine. In the search bar, type Speechify and look for the official Speechify website in the results. Click through to open the site. If you land on the web app, even better. If you're asked to sign in, go ahead and do that so your library can save what you import. Once you're in Speechify, look toward the top center of the interface for the option labeled Link, sometimes shown as a chain icon. Click it. This opens a simple field where you can add a web page for Speechify to fetch and read. Now, in a new tab, open the source website that has the content you want to listen to. This could be a news article, a long blog, or a helpful guide. Make sure the page is publicly accessible, since paywalled or private pages may not import correctly. With the page open, click once in the address bar so the full URL is highlighted, then copy it. You can use your keyboard shortcut or right-click and choose Copy. That's the exact link Speechify will use. Switch back to your Speechify tab. You should still see the link field open. Click into that field and paste the link you just copied. Take a quick glance to confirm the URL looks correct, then select Submit. Depending on your version, the button might say Submit, Add, or Import. They all do the same thing. Speechify will grab the page and, after a moment of processing, display the title and the main text. In many cases, it begins reading automatically. If it doesn't start on its own, just press play. From here, you can adjust the reading speed, pick a different voice, or pause and resume whenever you like. If the import captures extra clutter from the page, you can stop playback, remove the item, and try a cleaner version of the link, such as a reader view or a print view when available. That's it. You've imported a link into Speechify and started listening in just a few clicks. Repeat the same process for any other articles you want to hear and enjoy hands-free reading anywhere.